Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at a truly indispensable gadget for anyone navigating the evolving world of audio technology. The ONE PC 3.5 male to Type-C female audio cable cord. This particular adapter, presented in a clean white finish, serves a crucial role in bridging the gap between classic audio devices and modern Type-C headphones. The primary function of this 3.5 analog cable Type-C converter is straightforward, yet incredibly powerful. It allows users to connect their beloved MP3 players, CD players, laptops, and even older smartphones that feature a standard 3.5 audio jack to contemporary earphones or headphones that utilize a Type-C connector. This means that one does not need to invest in a separate set of headphones for each device, offering a significant level of convenience and cost-effectiveness. Upon examination, the build quality of this earphone adapter appears robust. The connectors are designed for a secure fit, ensuring a stable and uninterrupted audio signal. The cable itself is flexible yet durable, suggesting it can withstand the rigors of daily use and portability without easily fraying or breaking. Its compact size makes it an ideal companion for travel, easily slipping into a pocket or a small compartment in a bag. When it comes to performance, the adapter is engineered to deliver a seamless audio experience. It effectively converts the analog signal from the 3.5 source into a format compatible with Type-C audio devices, all while striving to maintain the integrity and clarity of the sound. Listeners can expect their music, podcasts, or audiobooks to come through with the fidelity they are accustomed to, without noticeable degradation in quality. This is a critical aspect, as the primary purpose is to enable connection without compromising the listening experience. The compatibility of this converter is quite broad, extending its utility across a wide array of devices. Whether one is looking to revive an old MP3 player for a nostalgic listening session, or simply wants to use their premium Type-C headphones with a laptop that only has a 3.5 output, this cable provides the necessary link. It simplifies the audio setup, making it easier to enjoy content from various sources with a single pair of modern headphones. In essence, this 3.5 male to Type-C female audio cable cord is more than just a simple adapter. It is a practical solution for modern audio challenges. It empowers users to maximize the utility of their existing devices and headphones, promoting versatility and reducing electronic waste. For anyone seeking a reliable, high-quality bridge between their analog and digital audio worlds, this converter presents itself as an excellent and essential tool.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.